Edexcel A-Level Maths, Pure Paper 2, June 2022, Question 5. The table below shows corresponding values of x and y for y equals log base 3 2x. The values of y are given to two decimal places as appropriate. For part A, we need to use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the table to find an estimate for the integral between 3 and 9 of log base 3 2x dx. This is just a case of remembering and applying the trapezium rule. So our trapezium rule, the formula is h over 2, where h is the width of our groups. So looking at our table, you can see the x's go from 3 to 4.5 to 6 and so on. So it's a gap of 1.5 each time. So our h will be 1.5. And in the brackets, we've got y0, our first y value, plus yn, which is our last y value, plus two lots of the sum of all of the other y's. So putting our values into there, we've got 1.5 over 2. In the brackets, we've got 1.63 for the first y, plus 2.63 for the second y, plus two lots of 2, plus 2.26, plus 2.46. They are our other y values. Putting all of this into a calculator, we get an answer of 13.3. And that is our estimate for the integral. Part B, we need to use our answer to part A, make our method clear, and estimate the integral between 3 and 9 of log base 3 2x to the power of 10 dx. So what we need to do here is compare our new integral to the old one. So the only difference is that we've got that power of 10 over the 2x there within the log. So using our rules of logarithms, we know that if we've got a power inside a log, we can bring this out as a multiple. So it's going to be equal to 10 times log base 3 2x. And with integrals, if we've got a multiple inside the integral, we can bring that out. So the integral that we're after is going to be equal to 10 times our integral from part A. Well, the integral from part A, we estimated at 13.3. So 10 times that gives us an answer of 133. We now need to do the same thing, but our new integral is the integral between 3 and 9 of log base 3 18x dx. So again, we need to compare our new log to our part A log and see if we can rewrite this in terms of log 2x. So 18x is just 9 lots of 2x. So we can rewrite this as log base 3 9 times 2x. But by our rules of logarithms, if we've got a multiple within the log, we can separate this out as the sum of two separate logs. So this is going to become log base 3 2x plus log base 3 9. But if we look at that second log, that's basically just saying, what do we need to raise 3 to the power of to get 9? Well, that's just 2. So log base 3 9 is 2. So we can rewrite log base 3 18x as log 2x plus 2. So now we've got our log in the same form as part A, so we can find the integral of this. The integral we're looking for is now going to be the integral from part A plus the integral between 3 and 9 of 2 dx. We know that first integral, it's 13.3. Our second integral, integrating 2, we get 2x between 9 and 3. 2 9s minus 2 3s gives us a value of 12. Bringing them together, we get an estimate of 25.3. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to the Doing Maths channel to keep up to date with all the latest releases.